Hello, Maurieo. The other day at work, we had a meeting of all the people interested in ChatGPT. And after the meeting, one of my colleagues asked me if I knew how to get a table from ChatGPT into Excel so that he could print out some flashcards about welding. At the time, I was 15 minutes away from a class and I needed to do a bit of prep, so I wasn't able to sort of have a real look at the program. And I sort of thought that I would do it using a CSV file, and then I sort of thought, well, let's see how I could do it. And so I thought, well, now that I've sort of have had a little bit of a look at it, and I think I can make a video and share what I found. Not only does it show you how to make how to use ChatGPT a little bit, but also how to load it into Excel and make the flashcards. So the sort of flashcards that I'm making, the proposal is to sort of, this is some ones here, sort of print them out onto an A4 sheet like this, and then cut them up so they've got the back and front. So this is the flashcard, got the flashcard question here and the answer here, and then cut them out like this, and I've got a better one here somewhere, and fold them in half so they form a little card, approximately 4 centimeters by maybe 6, and then I would glue them together, and that'll stiffen them up a bit if you use the right glue and an ample amount of it. That would stiffen them up a little bit so that they could be, and then you use the flashcard, put a series of them together with a rubber band or something around them, or a clothes peg, and then you go through the questions. Define the term arc welding, and then you try and repeat the answer to yourself, and then you read it again on the back. Now these flashcards are a perfect way of learning vocabulary, terminology, facts that you need, and they sort of rely on the Ebbinghaus forgetting curve, where by continually reviewing these, you can get this information top of mind and available, like that at the drop of a hat, as they say. So, that's what's motivating me. I've always liked flashcards. There are various online flashcard ones that you can use on your phone, but you carry the flashcards around with you, and then you can review them at any time. Also, a large part of the process is the actual making of the flashcards. So getting the students to actually, make the flashcards to, at whatever level, or at where you start with that, and get them cutting them out and gluing them together and making their own sets, making their own questions and answers, is a good way of showing the study technique, and to also involve them actively in their learning. So yeah, a lot of covering off a lot of ticking a lot of boxes. Not that I'm in favour of ticking a lot of boxes, but that's what we're going to do. So right, so let's get the show on the road, as they say, and we're going to start right away by flicking over here to the full screen. And yeah, that's me down in the corner there. And we'll start with a whole new chat. So bear with me. So what I've got to go, right. I want to, capital letters not good. So turn off the caps lock. I want to create a table for loading into Excel, a table of flashcards with both the back and front. Yes, I want them in a CSV format, comma separated value format, with, now I've done a little bit of work on this, so I've worked out that approximately 8 per page. I would like 16 flash cards about welding. All right, there we go. Okay, so here we go. This is what it tells me. Okay. Okay. Right. So, so here's our 16 things here. I look at that. That's got the front and back. Yeah. All right. Okay, so here it is. It's done it differently. That's the CSV format, so you can see what's going on there. There's the table. All right. There. So okay. All right. So it's told me there you can create this file using any text editor by coming. Then you can open or import this file into Excel, Google Sheets, or any others. Each time, line will consprint to row in the front, and then yeah, okay, cool. So what we do here is, now how do I copy it? Oh, copy the code. So there it is there. Copy. Now I'm just going to go to Excel. I'm not sure whether I have to. This is slightly different to what it is, but I'm just going to go there. So this is just a Excel sheet. I'm just going to go Control V. There it is. Okay, and I'm going to go formatting as a table. I'm going to go to Data, and I'm going to go to Text to Columns. Text to Columns. Okay, only one column at a time. So we'll just go here. Okay. Or is it already in? Oh, okay. I think this might. I'm not sure. I think that's already in. It seems to have put it in. It has. It's put it into, looking at that, it's put it into 2 columns. So what I'm going to do there is just click on those 2 columns, and I wasn't sure whether it was actually in CSV or just by copying it like that, it's gone there. Now this is one of the things with ChatGPT. You might get a different result each time you use it. So sometimes you've got to rock and roll a little bit. So I'm just going to the home here and format, auto fit column width. And there it is. Yeah, there it is. It's got the types of welding, and there's the cards. 16 of them with making some flashcards. Right. So I'm going to make that there into my. I'm just going to rename that sheet there in the one there. Can we see that? Oh, it's under my photo. Right. I don't know what I can do about that. I'm just. Oh, hang on. I can maybe do this. Yeah. Okay, there we go. So I'm just coming down here and renaming that sheet there. I'll call that the data sheet. So that's got all the flashcards in it. Because I actually want them to be into 2 columns. We'll see. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a sheet in here, and I'm going to rename that flashcards. Flashcards. Okay. All right. So let's that up there. So that's what we've got there now. Yes. My photo there is probably not the good. So I'm going to go. Oops. I'm going to go here and just move the data sheet over to there. Come on. Oops. Or maybe I'll move the flashcard sheet over to there. There we go. I'm going to work with that there. Okay. So I'm going to work on the flashcard sheet there. Now what I want to do now is I want to create my template for the flashcards in Excel. So how I'm going to do that is, right, so I'm going to go to page layout, my margins, I'm going to make them as narrow as I possibly can. The orientation I'm going to go with this landscape, and you can see there's my shape there. And the size I want is A4, which is all good. Yeah, I think I'm good with that. Now, I'm not going to put there'll be space around it, so that's fine. Or we could go to the page layout view, page layout like that, and that'll work with the page. So I want one there, that one there, and that one there, holding down the control key, this one here, control, and this one here, control. They will be where my, they'll be the actual cards. The other ones will be columns in between. So I'm going to make those, let's go to home, format, column width. I'm going to make those, I'll go at 4.5 for now. Okay, yeah, so you can see we can get probably a little bit bigger than that onto here. So you can see there's the column there. Now what I'll do is, these are the actual flashcards. So I'll put a border around those. Format cells, and I'll go to border, and I'll put a nice thick border around them, and just around the outside. So there we go. That's done. Done that one. Okay, and then I'll double click on there, and I'll paste that there, and there. So we're going to get 8 flashcards per page. So each one of these, that's a front and a back. So that's 4 per side. Like that there. So that's our flashcards. Just escape out of there. Now let's maybe go with the heights here. So just to get it there, just holding down the control key to select those particular rows, and we'll format the row height round about, I'm going to go with 4. Okay, that's too much. That's too much. I'm going to go format row height 3.5. Not an so maybe 3.6. Format format row height 3.6. Yep, we could go a little bit format format row height 3.7. Perfect. Okay, so that puts that on there. Now these here, these ones here, we could make them a little bit smaller. These are the gaps between the no, I've pushed the wrong button there. I pushed the shift rather than the control. So I've got that one, control, and format column width. I want to go approximately half that, so I'm just going to go 1. Okay, now that then I can get these here a bit wider. Okay, so there we there. Okay, 1, control there, control there. Oops, got it wrong. Control there, control there, and control there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Format the column width there. I'm going to make that 6 maybe. Ooh, perfect. There we go. And so there we are. We have our one page of flashcards. If we just go File, oh, now that's something to do there. Let's just go back from there. Just go Page Layout, Print Area, no. Okay, File, and Print, and we'll just go to Printer Properties, Page Setup here. Okay, that's all good there, margins, and we'll just put it in the middle, horizontally and vertically. Okay, and there we go. Oh, that's pretty good with the gap reasonable there. Yeah, I'm sort of happy with that. I could have a look at that and adjust it as it comes out, you know, adjust it as it comes out like that. But that's all good, and that's ready to print. Okay, so I'm going to just go back from there and leave that there. Now what I want to do is I just want to copy these into the next page. Control C, down here, Control V, and as you can see, the row height's not, so I'm just going to check back here, Home, Format, Column Width, Format Cells, oh, sorry, that wasn't it at all, Format, Column Width, no, it's row height that we want, isn't it? Row height. What's the row height here? Oh, there it is. Row height. What do we got? 3.68. Cancel. So let's go here and control here and control there, and there. Okay, and format row height 3.68, and that should fit that onto the next page, and we're all good to go. And just do a little bit of a check, file, print. Okay, and that's page 1 and page 2. And so then we can cut each one out and, you know, carefully fold them in half. And you can, you know, experiment with that and get that exactly how you want it within your parameters and sort of relation to what you got. Now, okay, let's go here and we'll put the data into the thing. So what I'm going to do here is go view, view, new window. That's cool. And then just push the Windows and the right arrow. That puts that over there. And here's that window there. Oh no, that's not that window at all. Let's drop that one down. Oh, we want the oh, here are the flashcards here. Okay, there. Oh, Windows left arrow puts that one in place, and this is the flashcards here. Right. So now it's just a matter of going plus in there and what you got on the front. Enter. Oh, that's not too good. So I want this the formatting. So let's. We should be able to click up there and get all. Oh. Okay. Well. Well, that should do it. So this is for our formatting. So let's go. I'll just make this bigger again. It's easier. I know where it is. Home, format, format cells. So we'll we want the alignment. We want to wrap the text there. We want it horizontal. We want it center, and vertical. Oh no, horizontal. We want it left indent, and center. I think that should do it. And okay, and then pop that in there like that. Maybe perhaps 2. Maybe. Let's go like that. Okay, right. Now let's pull this back. Windows left. And then in here, we just want plus the answer. That's number 1. Okay. Right. And you can adjust the font height and all that sort of carry on as to what you, how you want. So here, plus MIG welding, enter, here, plus the answer. Okay. The font there, we could probably go a little bit bigger on the fonts actually. Oh, here we go. Possibly, let's go home. I'll make it bigger so I can get better. Maybe 14, no, maybe 12, just a little bit bigger. Yeah. Okay, and well, we can attend to that later on. So here we've got number 3 plus enter. Here we've got answer to number 3. This bit takes a little time. Here plus. Probably I would look at maybe trying to get this a little bit better. Possibly the way that it's formatted in ChatGPT could possibly be improved. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 5. Plus number 5. I'll probably make some mistakes. This is number 6 plus number 7. Answer to number 7. Number 18. Okay. Yeah, I think I could maybe make the font a bit bigger on those. I'll just get the others done. Oh, I can do those. We can always make the font smaller for individual cards where there's more data. Font. Let's go with 16. Yeah, that's all fitting well. Yep. Oh. Ooh, what happened there? Oh, Control Z. Maybe 16's not so font. It made the maybe 14. No, it doesn't. It doesn't like that. All right. We'll just leave it at 12. Okay. Cool. All right. Now let's do down to page 2 here. So that's 9. Oops. Let's go. These are. Oops, that one there. Back to here. This is number 9. Plus. Okay. Plus. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Thirteen. 14. 15. 16. Okay, and there it is. That's the spreadsheet all done, and then it's just a matter of file, print, and that's looking good in the print preview. One of the beauties of this, well, we'll print those out. Have we got paper? Yeah, print. And all right, so that's good there. Is that? Yep, I think it's coming soon to a printer near you. Okay, here we go. And then I'm just going back to the back to the data sheet there. So the beauty of this, oh, maybe we can push that over there. And where's that other window? This window here. One of the beauties of this, I guess, is that you could, like for instance, this is number 16. Oops, what's going on there? Oh, this is my previous attempt. Oh, this is the one. No, that's still. I'm going to get rid of that one. Okay, this is. Oh, this is actually my previous attempt too. I'll just drop that down. So we're in a. Hang on, we're in a bit of a bind here. Let's go cancel there. That one there is wrong. Okay, so where is my Excel spreadsheet? The one that I was actually using. Okay, that's that one, types of welding. And, well, what other windows? Is that it there? No. Oh, I've lost. Okay, I'll pull this one there and I'll go view, new window. There we go. I'll put that one up there, pop that over there, and flashcards. There we go. So, so we've got there welding symbol arrow. What I was going to say is that you could, if you wanted, just if we delete that, you'll see we delete it there, and we could add something else, other option, and it'll go into the flashcard. So yeah, we can change and adapt in there by just changing the answers over here, and it'll update the flashcard. So here's the printout, the printed flashcards here, and obviously you can adjust those around, and then they just get cut out. Just cut out the back and the answer, and then fold them in half, and add a bit of glue to them, and yeah, there you go. Bob's your uncle, Robert's your father's brother. You're off, and this is something that can be. I mean, you can get your students to do this yourself. It's a very good study technique. You know, if you're there, and it engages the students in the actual learning and making their own flashcards, and they have some sort of longevity, some sort of takeaway. So yeah, let's go back to here, and there it is. Took me, let's see, we've been going 33 minutes. So approximately 33 minutes to generate some flashcards, load them into Excel, and print them out, and probably, you know, another 5 or 10 minutes to cut them out and have them, and have the students going with them. So yeah, bloody marvelous.